Maybe this time it will be love until fine. Maybe
Hey,
now
what
they can be
happened?
more than just friends.
I've been waiting for you.
Kamusta guys? Kamusta kayo dyan guys? Na-miss nyo ba ako? Kasi ako na-miss ko kayo kahit hindi nyo ako na-miss. So ngayon, may vlog tayo. Pupunta tayo sa Corniche. Mag-fishing tayo kasi si Kuya Saroj, inakit ako mag-fishing. Laki ng noo, nakakaya. Taba ng mukha ko. So wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Tara na kasi kanina pa yata siya nag-iintay doon. Let's go! Guys, nakalimutan ko. Dapat may wear mask. Siyempre, may dala akong sanitizer. Dapat yan, laging dadalhin. Maibuti na nag-iingat. So, let's go. Ayun guys, umulan yata kanina kasi basa yung kalsada. Basa din yung buhangin. So, tara na, pupunta na natin si Kuya Saroj. Actually, ang meeting place ay sa may tapat daw na building. Samahan niyo ako guys. Ayun guys, nandito na ako sa Corniche. Doon daw sa mataas na building. So guys, kung makikita nyo, nakita nyo na to sa mga kalipas kong vlog. Malamig guys. So yung malaking building, ayun yun. So hanapin natin si kuya doon. Let's go! So dito tayo dadan sa kabila. Malaking building. Yung uwak nagsasalita, sabi niya, "Kwak! Kwak!" Doon daw. So let's go. Diba guys, parang umulan siya. Umulan talaga siguro. Kasi mga kalsada o basa. Saan na kaya si kuya? So guys, pagka-message sa akin kuya, I'm na hindi pa ako kumakain. Kasi nag-promise ako na sasama ko sa kanya pag nag-fishing siya.
A few moments later.
Shrimp? Where did you buy the shrimp?
Fish market.
How
I
much?
buy 2-3 days before,
Ah,
and I put in salt, so it
salt.
like
Ah,
what I'm gonna
huh?
put that. You take that?
Yeah.
Not put this one.
So in this one, two fish you will catch.
And then two coming together.
Two coming together. So kuya say hi.
Sometimes too much coming. Sometimes
Mm.
this side is coming. Sometimes too much coming.
How you know if the fish is catch already?
There is fish too much.
Ah.
Hang on. Another fish.
No. What is it? Noodles from Nepal. Guys, may pasalubong noodles from Nepal.
You can eat dry.
Huh?
You can eat dry.
Also? Okay, can I eat dry daw to? So I can eat dry also dito. How about the powder, the seasoning? Yeah.
If you like spicy, you can make flavor.
No.
Otherwise, everything.
Thank you so much, Nini. Munch, soup, and lunch. Guys, so, diba? Ayun guys, binigyan pa ko ni Kuya ng ng chichirya na galing Nepal. Parang green beans yata to sa atin. Diba? Yesterday you go fishing.
No, no, no. Yesterday, I went to come here, but I was to go on the same day. Yeah, very much.
I see that it's raining.
Yeah. Today morning also.
Ah,
This, this, like this climate is not this.
yeah, because too high, right?
Yeah. No, 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 no.
Maybe sleeping also. Yeah. Ayun, ganyan, Kuya. Go, go, go. Oh. Di ba? How do you eat the shrimp? Good, this one very good. Yeah. It's fun. It's fun. Oy. Later, just put the kuya. I thought kuya you go in on the other side in the soft hotel.
No, so we can get it very fast. We cannot go like this. We have to go from that side.
Yeah. Blue is that part is black, right?
I can find it.
But the weather now is good, cold, right? By the way, kuya pala si kuya is from Nepal. Kuya, where are you from Nepal? Huh?
Kathmandu.
Kat Kathmandu?
I married from there. I live there. My village there. Very fast.
Mm.
One
Very
day.
far from the city.
Yeah. One day by bus.
One day by bus? Too much far.
Yeah, 12 hours.
So very tired.
Mountain, no, there is. Yeah, like this one.
Mm. Kuya, how much this one in Nepal? This one. 5 rupees. How much in real?
Maybe 10 pills.
10.
Pills.
How much? In reals?
10 halal.
10 halala?
Noodles, maybe less than one.
Less than 1 real? How to cook this one, the noodles?
How you put this aloo?
Same the process? The regular one? This is with soup or without soup? But without soup, no problem. Maybe ko yung sulit-sulit, ano, tro.
This side.
Ber. Ay, kuya, di cut yun. Ayun, oh. Pero update lang guys, wala pa rin nakukuha kahit sino pa rin ditong nag-fishing. Yung iba lumipat na. Kaya ano lang kayo habang ganyan. Sana hindi siya masyadong windy. Maybe this time.
You belong in this time. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's stuck in his life, and you see it so bright. Maybe this time. Sana huli na huli na namin.
Si kabayan guys, wala pa rin nakuhuli oh. Then, 7. So guys, try again. Kuya, try again, right? Try again. Try again. Try and try until you succeed. Until you cut fish. Tachas. Go, throw it again kuya. Go, 1, 2, 3. Bading patchas ha. 0. Wali. Isip ko. Sige, ikot pa sana. Ting. Subok lang ng subok. Sabi nga nila, never give up.
One eternity later.
Sir, can I have a 2 little tasty chicken?
Spicy or regular?
Kuya, want spicy or regular? Huh? Spicy? 1 spicy, 1 regular.
This one size, large, medium, regular.
The regular one. The 13 real.
13 there and for drinks, sir?
Kuya, both diet Pepsi? No ice, huh?
No, it's okay. Anything else?
Not, that's it.
Like ice cream,
Mm.
in the bar.
Thank you. Yeah, no,
27.
no vlogging.
Like, subscribe, huh?
Thank you. Kuya, go in this side.
Okay, you go to subscribe.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow.
Yes, it.
Thank you for your
Thank you, kuya. Goodbye. Ayun guys, nakauwi na ako. Di ko na binidyoan yung pagkain namin sa McDo saka yung pag-uwi ko dito. Kasi sobrang lamig. Wala kami nahuling isda, ganun talaga ang buhay. Maybe next day, hindi man araw-araw, lagi kang may makukuha. May bagay na may ipaparealize sa'yo na you need more patience para makahuli ka ng isda. Saka ang tagal namin doon, siguro in 3 hours, 2 isda lang yung mga nahuli doon. Na, di ba may makasama kami ng isda? In 3 hours, siguro 3 isda kasi yung isa maliit, pinakawalan ulit nila. Which is the good things that pag maliit, binabalik para lumaki siya. No hate, just love. Peace. Bye-bye.